Alright, we're playing the Lightning Link. I got 18 bucks in there. Let's go for the low $3 bets. Let's see what happens. Two more. Ooh, one more. Last spin. Ooh. Nice little win. $26. Nice. Keep it rolling. Nice little hit there, $10. Ooh. Come on. We need something. Last spin here. Ooh, 6 free games on the last spin.